Say, I love you. You love me? Oh, I love you too. Do you love me? What? Mama?
Hold on. No, you do it. You did it. Okay, come on. One more step. Good job. Oh, girl. Okay. That wasn't how you were doing.
No, stop going that way. Then you go to the right hand. Oh! Yeah!
Okay, Lola. Are you comfortable? Just tell me, I want to know. You kick back like you're a person. You give us a little bit of a look, you let us know that you're alive, and then bam, you go back.
Lola.
Hello?
Daddy's talking to you, baby.
You want a treat? Treat.
At a premium channel.
Somebody treat. You come in? No? Luna, what are you doing? To that corner? Oh, what? This could go on for days. Oh, now I can see it.
Oh, Penny, are you swimming? Oh, look at you swimming.
Oh, you goody.
Whoa. Oh, my goodness.
Oh my god! Oh. Oh my goodness, go. I'm hurting. I can't do it. There you go.
You should send that to America.
Oh my God, Bosco!
Ginger, what's going on?
Hey, Teddy.
No.
Camera shy.
Camera shy. Andy. Bye. Did you eat the chips? You did, huh? That's not a nice doggy. That's a bad boy. Did you do that? Did you eat those? Yeah? Oh, Lord, Charlie.
Charlie, you want to take a bath? You want to take a bath? Come on, let's take a bath. Let's take a bath. Let's take a bath. Come on, let's take a bath, Charlie.
Save you.
Come on, let's take a bath. Let's take a bath.
Well, that's 9 earned runs if you back to London.
Look, he's using the tools.
In 1 inning.
Oh my god. He did it himself.
Good boy.
Boy, she really wants to be there with him, doesn't she?
He does.
Oh my goodness! Hi! Oh my goodness! Grandma! Oh my God! Grandma! Oh, Grandma! I'm finna cry! Whose dog is this? Grandma, whose dog is this?
She's Jasmine.
Dun 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 dun. I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss. Mwah. Yay! They're married. They're gonna have puppies.
Sunny.
So we just came home. We were out for a couple of hours, and our dog clearly did not like being home without us, so he got into some of the dirty laundry. And now he seems to be wearing someone's underwear.
Mooshy.
Come here, Moosh.
What did you do?
It's like, quit laughing at me.
Hamster? I don't know why they're not grabbing it.
My dog has many privileges. She's a pillow and a back scratcher. That tickles.
Got this new harness for the dogs to take them on a walk. Drake's ready. River, she acts like she's playing dead. River, come on. River. Hey. River. Come on. River, come on. Come on. Let's go for a walk.
Behind you, she's protected. She wants you to carry her. Can be on home videos.
He did his job.
Our dog's doing the dishes. This is hilarious. Our puppy's doing the dishes. Star, are you kidding me? Really? it, Charlie. Do it. She did it right at the camera. More?
Who did this? Did you eat toilet paper? Did you?
Cooper. Psst, Coopy. You taking a video of that, right? Take a video of it!
It's a video. Make her stop. Make her stop. Mike!
Or itch your belly.
Domesticated. And this is what he does when he walks on a leash. He turns into a human. Gross, John. No, nasty.
Just let her try to get it, Kinley. Let her just try to get it. She can't because it moves. Just don't move away from her. Just let her try to get it. There she.
John Scott dealt amongst the lines, sent down to Rogers. He's not your typical all-star, and at times Scott says he felt welcome, but
Get it, Precious?
Pass it out there. Give it back. Give it back.
On the porch.
And they're thankful you use more free public Wi-Fi at the coffee shop. Because of all the activities during the holidays, you can expose more of your
Good
personal
girl.
information, which could lead
You want a blue bear?
Yeah, that's my cut.